Get ready, Hoopers! The Nike Zoom GT Cut 3 Turbo Minnesota Timberwolves is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated colorways in Nike's NBA-inspired lineup. Known as the most worn non-signature sneaker in the NBA, the GT Cut 3 Turbo continues its dominance with elite ZoomX cushioning and court-ready responsiveness. This Timberwolves edition mirrors the layout of the Lakers and Suns pairs, highlighted by a clean white tongue and lining, plus striking light green and navy blue panels wrapping the sides. Underfoot, that same icy green tone powers the ZoomX-equipped sole for explosive energy return. Expected to hit courts on Timberwolves guard Rob Dillingham, this release stays team-themed without being an official player edition. While Nike hasn't confirmed the launch yet, all signs point to a December 2025 release for $210. Perfect for players and collectors, this drop brings performance, team pride, and top-tier style in one package.